Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll talk about one of the simplest and most powerful ways to grow your business, your thank you card. Picture the moment your customer opens their package. Before they even reach the jewelry, the very first thing they see is your thank you card. It's your first impression, your personal handshake, and a golden opportunity all in one. So what can you do with it? Quite a lot, actually. You can thank your customer warmly and make them feel truly appreciated. You can kindly ask for a review, which builds the trust that brings you future sales. You can encourage them to come back with a special discount for their next order. And you can even invite them to share that discount with friends and family. You have full freedom to add your own branding, your logo, your colors, and your message. And here's a powerful touch. Add a QR code that links straight to your shop, your review page, or your latest collection. One quick scan and your customer is right back with you. Now, let's talk about how to set it up. It's wonderfully simple. Go to your store's page and find the store you'd like to enable thank you cards for. There, you'll see the option to enable your thank you card. Just flip the switch on and upload your design. From that moment, your card is automatically included in every single order that ships from that store. Set it up once and it just works. But what if you'd like to send a more personal card for a specific order? That's easy too. Simply go to that order, find the thank you card section, update it with your custom design, and you're done. So take a few minutes to create a thank you card that truly represents your brand using our templates and editor, because this small, thoughtful touch is one of the easiest ways to win loyal customers, earn glowing reviews, and turn a single sale into many